Hey folks, struggling with a stuffy nose? It's an absolute nightmare, right? Well, no more. You've come to the right place, because today we're diving into how to get rid of congestion at home. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First things first, let's talk hydration. Your grandma probably told you to drink plenty of fluids when you were sick, and guess what? She was spot on. According to a study from the University of Miami back in 2015, staying hydrated can thin your mucus and lower the pressure in your sinuses. Less pressure equals less pain. But how much should you drink? Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Sound a lot? Split it up. Carry a bottle around and take a sip now and then. You'll hit your target before you know it. Second on the list, warm compresses. Remember how your mom used to place a warm cloth on your forehead when you had a fever? That's because heat can reduce sinus inflammation and ease the pain. Soak a small towel in warm water, squeeze out the excess and place it over your face. Keep it on for about 3 minutes, then take a 1-minute break. Repeat the cycle 3 times, and you'll start feeling the difference. Next up is a little spicy tip. Ever bitten into a chili and felt your nose run like a tap? That's because spicy foods are natural decongestants. A study from UCLA in 2016 found that capsaicin, the compound that makes chili peppers hot, can thin out mucus. So adding a little spice to your food can help you breathe easier. But remember, everyone's spice tolerance is different, so start with a small amount and see how you react. Humidity can be your best friend when it comes to congestion. You might have seen those fancy humidifiers at the store, but do you need one? Not necessarily. A nice hot shower can work wonders too. The warm steam moisturizes your nasal, throat, and lung passages, making breathing easier. This is according to a 2019 report from Johns Hopkins Medicine. So next time your nose feels like a traffic jam, hop into a nice, warm shower. And last but not least, consider practicing nasal irrigation. Sounds fancy, right? But it's just a fancy term for rinsing out your nose. A saline solution can rinse away allergens, mucus, and infection. It's a common practice recommended by the American Academy of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology. Mix half a teaspoon of non-iodized salt and a pinch of baking soda in a cup of lukewarm water. Use a bulb syringe or neti pot to gently rinse your nasal passages. Make sure the water is distilled or previously boiled. We don't want any uninvited microbes, right? And there you have it, folks. Some DIY steps to combat congestion. Remember, our bodies are like unique snowflakes. What works for one might not work for another. Try out these tips and see which one works best for you. If you found this video helpful, why not show a little love? Hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and drop us a comment. What other health topics are you interested in? Let's continue the journey to a healthier you, together. Until next time.